Yo, it's big bag season, everybody. So guess what? I know you guys been working hard and ready for this season to eat everything in your eyes desire. Okay, but sometimes annoyingly our jaw can be a hindrance and it can stop us. So if you got some pop, if you notice any popping or clicking, I want you to try this here for me. Okay, I want you to ever open up your jaw right to the point, past the point you feel that pop in the jaw. We're gonna take this exercise. We're gonna stick our finger just right here, and we're just gonna apply gentle, and I mean gentle. Don't bite your finger off. Don't do it. Now, as we do this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna extend our jaw forward and backwards. Okay, we're gonna be allowing this muscle to stretch. And now, if you notice, hey, that still has that pain, I want you to open your jaw a little, open your mouth a little bit wider. Close down, just past that point, right when you hear that pop happen. And then once again, going backwards and forwards. This will allow the mandible bone, which is this lower part, to smoothly glide right onto the maxillary condyle, all right? Allowing for you to eat to your heart's desire, all right? This is Dr. Cannon, your big back specialist. Come on into the office, see you soon. Bye-bye.